part of the S.O.A.L here. Let me see here. Let's see what we got going on back in here. We got down in here. This is definitely a bed. Is that a turkey? Oh, there's the road right there. Perfect right now. Okay, interesting stuff as usual. Well, that was fun. Okay, that was about as smooth as a fart in church. So this must have been an old county road, I'm assuming, because the river obviously washed the road out, and so nobody's really been over here. Except for some 4x4, side-by-sides, whatever. And maybe a few crazies that are in our group, or on the S.O.A.L group, I should say. Ah, yes. So where does this fucking go? Okay. Again, a road all washed out. I don't know how this is the only route that showed up on my freaking Garmin, but okay, let's see here. Rock crossing. I guess you have to go up on that ridge over there and back through. So let's see here. How do we want to do this? All right, what did I get myself into on the S.O.A.L here, brother? Okay. Wow. Assuming that road goes that way. Yep, this has got to be it. Well, I'm assuming. Like I'm back in the mountains of Colorado. Okay. Nice and easy. Don't have to be a hero here, folks. But let's see where this takes us. But this is not fun. They're about halfway, I think. Okay, hold on. This is for the beta 430, I think. Okay. This is a lot. Well, man's got to know limitations. And those limitations are now. And the reason why is because I walked, although you can't see it, I walked probably 500 feet or so up there. There is a pretty gnarly piece, and I personally don't want to do it by myself. It's not that I can't, not that I can't even do it on this bike, I don't think, but I just don't want to take the chance being by myself in this neck of the woods. And the better part of valor is to turn around and go back from whence we came. Okay. Definitely where you need the little bikes come in handy. This is a little bikes thing. Again, not that I couldn't finish it, but not by myself. That was pretty gnarly back there. I don't care what people say, I'm not standing on my pegs. Get on your pegs! You know what? You come back here and get on your pegs. Yeah. Now I can get on my pegs. Just for a little bit. Right across the street there. Yes, I said right across the street. Whew. I see the path. Okay. Oh, okay. So you little bike guys, this would be a fun trail for you guys. Yes, I'm breathing hard, folks. That was pretty rough. Creek crossing coming up. Oh. All right, I'm sitting down. I think I got one more crossing out of here. Stand up on your pegs. What kind of rider are you? Tired. That's what I am. Tired. It's alright. I get it. I get it, folks. Alright. Now, I'm going to go back through, find the right angle. Ah, you fucker. Woo! I tried to do the Tom Asher second gear thing right off the bat. She stalled out. I didn't think I had the momentum. Fucking get on it and go. That was crazy. That was fun, but that was crazy. Alright, who's ever done this road has probably done it on the small bikes. Again, we could have done this on the big bikes, but there were some down trees, big rivet, or big trench line. And to be quite honest with you, being by yourself, just take it out of the equation. Oh my God. Well, that was fun. Alright, now what do we do? So right by the Honda in Reardon, which I couldn't get my shirt because they're closed today, just down from there, about 3 miles, is exactly where I went in on this road, and passing on my way to Blue Creek, not Johnston, but what's the name of this road? Dry Run Road. Dry Run Road, Brush Creek. Dry Run Road, Brush Creek. So, yeah. Pretty wild. If you have not done it, big bikes, get your skill sets, get your big boy pants on, and the little bikes, you'll have some fun. The little bikes will just have a bunch of fun on that thing. So, alrighty, gang.